What?
I love it.
What is it? Easy to unpack, eh? Okay, let's get rid of the box. Stand it up. Well, what do you think it is? Where's your card?
No.
It's an ATM.
You know where Mommy and Daddy go to the bank and we get money out? Machines?
Oh, you gotta leave it in while you're working.